Are you looking for a PC case for custom water cooling? In this video, I will show you the best PC cases for custom water cooling in 2021 based on my personal opinion and hours of research. If you want more information and updated pricing on the products mentioned, be sure to check the links in the description down below. The fifth product on the list is the Lian Leo11 DXL X 011 Dynamic XL. Bigger in every way, a mighty powerful chassis. Modular design, flexibility for any configuration. Hot swappable drives. Spacious for multiple and bigger components, seamlessly supporting E-ATX motherboards. RGB lighting, sync front panel, addressable RGB. Tempered glass on the front and left side. E-ATX, ATX full tower gaming computer case. The 011 Dynamic Series from Lian is developed in collaboration with DER8AUR, a world-renowned German overclocking, water cooling, and gaming evangelist. Always looking for ways to improve computer design and performance, DER8AUR volunteered his time to review and test the design concepts of the 011D series. The fourth product on the list is the Phanteks Enthoo Elite, the most premium production gaming enclosure. Built from premium materials that are engineered with utmost care and attention to detail. A design based on continuous product improvement and innovation throughout the Enthoo series. Enthoo Elite includes 5x 140mm fans in total. Ability to upgrade to additional fans is possible. The third product on the list is the Thermaltake Core P7 Tempered Glass Edition. Thermaltake pushes the limit of wall-mount full tower to launch the Core P7 Tempered Glass Edition, which boasts an enlarged 5mm thick tempered glass window and features 4 extended chassis installation angle options, allowing users to assemble the extended cases at a 45 degrees / 90 degrees / 180 degrees 270 degrees angle to the front / rear side of the main chassis, plus 3-way placement layouts, wall-mountable, horizontal laying and vertical standing, and full assembly capacity and expandability for ultimate air/liquid cooling system supporting. The Core P7 TG permits users limitless potential with how they want to configure their systems. The enlarged glass window permits users to fully display every interior component of the system and show off their dedication and skill set. The second product on the list is the CORSAIR Obsidian Series 1000D. The CORSAIR Obsidian Series 1000D is the ultimate super tower PC case, able to house the most incredible PCs within its iconic tempered glass design. Hinged tempered glass and aluminum doors make accessing your system a breeze, while a dual system layout lets you install 2 full PCs into a single case. An integrated CORSAIR Commander Pro lighting and fan controller makes your case smart, able to control and monitor your system using CORSAIR Link software. Telescoping fan and radiator trays, up to 13 fan mounts, and a triple-chamber design equip the 1000D for the most ambitious of cooling setups, able to mount 4 radiators simultaneously. When you want to create the most epic build, only the 1000D is up to the challenge. The first product on the list is the Thermaltake Level 20 E-ATX Full Tower PC Case. CNC digital cutting aluminum mesh panels with anodizing process ensure corrosion resistance with maximum cooling performance. Hinged 4mm tempered glass swing doors guarantees durability and superb inner components view. 3 Ring plus RGB fan and 2 Lumi plus LED strips are built to enhance the ventilation, while lighting up level 20 with 16.8 million gorgeous illumination colors. Lighting effect of both is controlled by TT RGB Plus software with the capability of working with Amazon Exa and Razer Chroma. Thanks for watching this video. Please leave a like if this helped you out, and if you have any questions, please leave them in the comments below. Subscribe for more content, and I hope to see you next time.